Hello, this is Eric Windheim, building biologist and electromagnetic radiation specialist. We're up in beautiful Bonners Ferry, Idaho, tracing and fixing wiring code violations. That's the only boat I've seen in 2 days, so it's fairly pristine up here. Lots of beagles, beavers, wood ducks, Canadian geese. And we're here with Marty of Westside Electric, local specialist electrician, and he's going to tell us what we found as far as electrical code violations. Go ahead, Marty.
Okay, in this box we had found that they had used an code violation for wiring the three-way switch. They had done it with just a 2-wire in between the two switches, so they did not bring the neutral width with the circuit, so therefore we had the imbalance. So we're going ahead and fixing that issue, turning this one actually into a single pole, and going to do some new wiring for the stairwell.
Okay, so we're going to preserve or retain the functionality of the switches as much as possible, but we're going to bring it back to code. Correct. And that completely gets rid of the excess magnetic fields.
Correct.
Yes, okay.
Correct.
Well, thank you very much. It's good to know that you're here on duty in Bonners Ferry and that you'll travel wherever people want you to go. Thank you very much.